it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you another unboxing of this month's Feelunique Pick N Mix. Okay, so on my channel before I have done a couple of pick and mix videos previously, but obviously if you haven't seen those and if you're unaware of the pick and mix service, then you won't know what this is. But basically, every month you get to go into the Feelunique website and you can pick 5 free samples. And then you pay £3.95 postage. So they're free. And the £3.95 that you pay for the items, you actually get back as like a voucher to your email address for you to use on the Feelunique website, which sells lots of makeup and skincare and things. So there's lots to choose from. It's not a subscription service, so you just kind of opt in and out as you want. I haven't done one for a couple of months now, basically because there's nothing really been there that I've kind of caught my attention, that I felt like I wanted to try, or there've been really little samples and things, and just nothing's caught my attention. But this month I did pick up a few things because I thought it was about time to go and have a little look and pick some bits up again. So this is the box as it comes. Sometimes you get it in like a more of a cardboardy envelope, sometimes it comes in a little bag or a smaller box. So this is this month's box. It's very light, so anyway, I haven't opened it, so let's open it now and I'll show you what I picked out. Because like I say, you do get to pick the 5 samples yourself. And there's a varied range of things that you can choose from. There are skincare, makeup, perfumes, there's like hair things, just loads and loads of things to choose from. So let's open this up. Okay. So inside it says thank you. I do appreciate a good Feelunique box. And then it opens up and it says almost there. And then inside we have our protective packaging. And then in there are the products that I chose this month. So I'll show you those now. Okay then, so the first 3 items I'm going to show you aren't actually for myself because, like I said, I've struggled to find things on there recently that I kind of want to try. And so I've kind of been avoiding buying anything. But then I did see that they had some good like skincare samples for men. So I thought, well, I'll pick these up and if Chris wants them, he can have them because, they're a good brand and they were a decent size sample as well, I believe. Just discard the packaging. Yeah, I'll show you the first 3 together because they're kind of more or less the similar thing. And I got 3 products from Clarins Men. And they are each obviously different, but they're a decent little size. There's 5 mils in each of these. The first one that I picked up then was a little super moisture lotion, which has an SPF of 20 in, so it could come in useful for when we're going on our holidays for Chris to put on his face. I suppose I'll open these and show you them up. Oh, okay, so they come with a little instruction leaflet, which is nice, and then you get a little tube of the product there. Okay then, the next one is a line control balm. So it's a revitalizing balm that reduces the look of wrinkles, visibly smooths and firms the skin. Facial features are visibly tightened and it's an exclusive anti-pollution complex. There's no leaflet in that one, but that is the tube. Again, just a nice little sample tube, perfect little travel sizes. And the final one of those then that I got was, oh goodness, it's alive, is a line control cream for dry skin. Okay, I don't think Chris has particularly dry skin, but a revitalizing cream that reduces the look of wrinkles, visibly smooths and firms the skin. It's very similar to the last one then. Okay, so one's a cream and one's a balm. Okay, but they're like anti-aging product. And again, it's just in one of those tubes. So there were the 3 things that I picked up for Chris. We have the moisturizer, which has got the SPF in it. We have 2 line control items, and one is a cream for dry skin and one is a balm. So they're nice little travel sized items, and 5 mils isn't too bad of a size either, and like I said, they come in nice little boxes and everything, so that'll be nice, something to pass along to Chris. Okay, so the next thing that I got was for me in mind, and it was a little set from Clinique. And in here there's a day and night anti-aging moisturizers. There's like a day one and a night one. I'm not entirely sure. I'm going to open them up and see because I don't know what you get in here. Okay, so in here we're getting the 2 tubs. So it looks like they are, I'll just take them out, actually I'll show you. So to get 2 little tubs of Feelunique moisturisers, and one is a Smart SPF Custom Repair Moisturiser for dry or combination skin. It's got an SPF of 15 in there, and does it say how big it is? 7 mils in there. So if you just open it up and show you, yes, you've got a nice little pot of cream in there. Oh, it's a really rich moisturiser. No great smell to it, but yeah, so that's the day moisturiser, and then here we have a Smart Night Moisturiser, and again that's in a little pot and there's 7 mils in there also. That one looks like perhaps a little thinner, that one actually, surprisingly. But these 2 items actually counted as just one because they came as a little set, so that was a great little find I think on the Pick and Mix this month. And again, a super duper useful travel size items. I'm sorry, I've watched a couple of my videos back and I realise I'm saying super duper an awful lot. I do apologise. Wasn't something I was aware I said a lot, but apparently it is. So the last item that I picked up is something you've actually seen on my Feelunique Pick and Mixes before, because like I say, I've struggled at the minute to find things on the Pick and Mix service that I want to use and, well, try. And so I saw on there that they were still doing one of my favourite picks from the Pick and Mix that I've had so far, and it was this Floral Street Vanilla Awkward perfume. And I had this and I absolutely loved it. It smells absolutely gorgeous. If you know me, watching these videos, you'll have picked up I love the scent of vanilla, and this just had a really nice, like, subtle vanilla smell with a bit of a floralness to it that I found really nice. I actually had a couple of people ask me what perfumes I was wearing when I was trying this, so it's generally a really nice perfume. I might pop that like when I go away, something just to pop on a night time or something, and I really enjoyed using this when I had it previously. So yeah, really excited to have that again. So then, just to give you a rundown of the products that I got then this month for £3.95, which I can get back if I want to use the voucher on the Feelunique website. So I think it's an absolute steal for what we've got here. So we've got the 3 Clarins men's products, we have the Feelunique 2 moisturisers, a day and a night, and we have a perfume from Floral Street, which I know is amazing. So for £3.95, I'm happy to have paid that anyway. But like I said, this is just postage, so you can claim the £3.95 back on the website, which I think is just the biggest bargain ever, because it means these are free. It's a great way to try new products, things that you're not sure if you're gonna like. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's definitely worth having a look. Now, once you've used it, you can only use it once within a month. So I picked these up something like the 3rd of February, I think, so I won't be able to go back on until like the 3rd of March to pick some more, should I want to. But it's hit and miss as to when they add new products and things, so you have to keep an eye out, and they do get some absolutely fantastic things on there. As you can see, I picked up some great products here, so it's definitely worth a look. So guys, then that's everything for today's video. As ever, if you have liked, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because it would be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.